and good morning. Today is a ski mountaineering day and the weather should be fantastic and beautiful. Maybe we will see the sun again after a few months, so let's see.
You fucked it, friend, it's on its head, it struck the street.
Hey guys, so it's beautiful weather today and we're going up to the mountain and it's just fantastic. And this is our first photo break with Lorenzo from Italy. I mean, look at this. This is why we're doing it. It's just beautiful. It will be so nice free ride. It's a little bit cold.
Ja, det var djupt. Jag körde på strandsidan.
So, time has come. Now is the real thing. Are you ready? Just go for it! So we just went down from that mountain, we go up, I speak Norwegian, we go up and down from the other side. So it's done for today, end of our mountaineering trip. But it was nice. The freeride wasn't so deep powder, not so deep snow, but it was fine. And it's such a great feeling to be back on the skis, really. And see you later. Make sure to subscribe, like, and yeah, check out my videos.
And it went